In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a Monzo bank account. First is to download their application, which is the Monzo app. After downloading it, you need to open it and then click the I'm new to Monzo. Once you click this, you need to input your email address. Well, after inputting your email address, just click the join button and then you need to check your Gmail application. And then you just need to click the login to Monzo app. Once you click this, you will be redirected into the application. So select the country that you live in and then click the confirm button. And this will be asking you some personal information, including a capture of your valid ID. So make sure that you have prepared these documents in order to open an account. So click the sign up for a US account and let's get started. Now click the Monzo account and click the next. Now input your first name and last name and then your date of birth, and this will be followed by different needed inputs regarding your personal information. And then after heading into the end page, just click the confirm button and then follow the necessary steps on opening your account. And that's it. That's how you can create a Monzo bank account, and thank you for listening.